Hey YouTubers, what's up? This is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and welcome back to the year 2018. And yes, Happy New Year to all of you. And yeah, I am all geared up, and today we're going to head to another one of the places where I used to hang out. So, anybody says New Year, the first thing that comes to our mind is resolutions, right? Not for me. Thing is, New Year for me is more of an occasion to party and speak to old friends whom we have not talked to for long. So I don't really set in resolutions. For me, whenever I want to change something about me, it's like that. It's instant. But yes, I'm sure most of you guys have set a lot of resolutions, and I wish all the best for all your resolutions. May all of them come true. The rest of the talking we'll do on our way. Okay, let's go. So guys, time right now is about 4 in the evening. It's 6th of January 2018, and oh my god, it's 2018 already. Well, one good thing about this course is time is actually flying away. Now the thing is, we used to go to this place very often 6 years back, and the road was like at the back of our hand, but I'm a bit confused right now, so I checked up on Google. And yeah, do you guys know, when you search for directions on Google, we used to get only the walking or the car option. Now we have a bikes option too. So that's a wonderful welcome move by Google. And yeah, from all the motorcyclists, thank you Google. So yeah, so when I checked online, I found that what the route I was thinking, Google showed me a different route. I'm gonna trust Google this time.
Motorcycling is a feeling which is beyond any logic. When you ride, your motorcycle becomes one with your body. With the flick of a wrist, you're going in an axis of 80 to 90 kilometers an hour. It is you who are going that fast. Your motorcycle and your body is one entity that time. It is a feeling which cannot be explained in words. It is a feeling which only a motorcyclist can understand. And it is a feeling which is the best in the world.
Be able to make out where am I. This place is Mhow Falls. So guys, this is the Mhow Falls. Hey buddy. Yeah, the fall is obviously dry, and yeah, unfortunately I'm here during the winter season, the dry season, and there's a lot of water down there during the monsoon season. We used to go all the way to that lake, and I think that there is a route where you see few people going out there. That is how we used to go down. And now I keep saying this for every place I visit, and I will still say this for Mhow also, because it's true. You want to see this place during monsoons and during that season. It's absolutely paradise. Absolutely paradise. Well, the monkeys here are... Oh man. He wants to scare me, huh? Well, good that I caught that on camera. Well, unfortunately for you, buddy, I'm not scared of you. So guys, I'm here at the bedrock, or you can say the fall, which is all dried up, as you can see. During rainy season, there's water out here. There's still some amount of water out here, as you can see. So guys, this is the fall, and yeah, it's a scary fall out here. And we used to go right over there, as you can see, that place, and we used to climb down from there, somewhere over there, and yeah, we used to go right there and have a dive at the pond. You see that place where there is still some amount of water falling. and you see some red cloth. That is the place where there is a shivling, and we used to go during the Mahashivratris there. And I'm gonna post a photograph of the last time we were there, around 6 years back. Yeah, most of our course-mates, we used to come here during Shivratris. So guys, I'm sure you guys can imagine what this place would look like during, the rainy season. Almost like a enlarged version of Patal Pani, right? Okay, so challenge now is to reach there in 10 seconds. Okay, I still have an ankle pain, so I hope I reach there and pose for the photograph. So 10 seconds starts now. So guys, it is time now to head back, and yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Oh, my bike. Did you hear that, guys? Yeah, that's my baby speaking to me. Okay, Tincha, bye bye. It was wonderful being here. Well, friends, shopping at Decathlon just got over. It's 7:20 right now in the evening. The shopping got a bit extended, and I bought more things than I expected, and so I had a very hard time stuffing the items into my bag. Especially in India, where majority of the sports साला ये पागल बंदा है क्या? Idiot guy. He almost killed me today, man. So guys, I'm back in my room, and that scene is still not out of my mind. I almost had my 13th accident today. Yes, I have had 12 accidents in last 6 years. Not that I'm proud of all the 12, but with each one of them I have learned, and whatever accident I had was all of them were like in the first 3 years, and then after that I became a much safer and responsible rider. Before winding up the vlog today, I'd just like to show you guys what I bought. First thing is this. I was trying to find it at a lot of other places. This is the Kalenji hydration pack, and I got it in black. Basically this year when I was doing the Rajasthan trip, although I was doing it in November, I was still feeling the need of water, after every 1 hour or 1.5 hours. So if you're going for a long trip, you don't want to stop every hour and a half. So for those rides, these hydration packs are very much required. And I also bought a tennis racket. I picked up tennis few years back, but I could not pursue it because I did not have an access to a court. But I'm here for 1.5 month more, and I do have a court here. So I thought, just why not continue with the tennis thing. So that's all, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog today. If you guys have liked this vlog, and if you have not subscribed to me yet, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Until then, this is Deepak, Two Wheels Wanderer, signing off. Ride safe.